Hello everyone, welcome to Kanishth Coders. In today's lecture, I'm going to teach you how you can make your own name colored as well as rotating in Scratch. It is going to be a very fun-filled activity. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. First of all, you need to go to this option of choose a sprite. Go to the option which says letters. Now you can search your name letters from here. Supposingly I want to write K over here, then I want to write A, so I'm gonna get A from here. Then after that, let's go and search for R. Moving on further, let's search for again A, and then search for the letter N. So that makes it current. So we're gonna make and arrange this name and like this. Okay, let's put some good background around it. So let's go to the backdrop option. Let's take the boardwalk as the background. You can adjust it wherever you want to and the way you want it to look and feel like. Once your designing has been done, it's now time for us to do the color changing portion. I'm going to teach you how you can change the color of these things, means these objects of K, A, R, A, N. All these things are known as objects. This is an object, this is an object, this is an object, this is an object, and this is also an object. Okay, so we are going to go to this events option and we are going to choose the option which says when the sprite is clicked. This sprite, the object which I'm telling you, sprite is clicked. Go to looks and click on the and choose the option which says change color. Let us go scroll down and find here change color. Okay, now we want the color to change randomly, so go to the option of operations. Okay, the operators ones, and then you have to go and select it and drag it. Now you can make it any of the color range which you want. Now what will happen, that every time you will click on the look, right now the N is selected, so this coding is done on the N. So whenever I click on this N, its color is getting changed. I hope you can see it, that the color is changing every time. Yes. Now if you want, you can also make it rotate. How? Go to the options which says controls and take a repeat 10 block. Then why repeat? Because we want it to be done again and again. What do we want to do again and again? We want to change its degree again and again by 15 degree. If you want it to be rotated by random degrees, okay, we can make it till 360 over here. So we will be rotated by random degree. So when I click on this, because this coding has been done on n character, so look, it's now getting rotated randomly on its own whenever I'm clicking. Now look what I have done. Let me just explain you briefly what I've done in this. I first took all the characters which you can see over here, which is K, A, R, A and N. Then we started doing the coding for N because N is selected. What is the coding? Whenever I click on this alphabet N, the color will change randomly. So I have put some number between 1 to 300 because let me explain you one thing. The colors are in the form of R, G and B. They are in the combination of red, green and blue. If we combine them, there is some numbers, okay, the ratio of the color ratio which we are setting, therefore random colors are being generated over here. Now I have taken this repeat block 10 times because actually I want this name to be rotated. I want this name to be rotated by some random degree. Okay, so I've taken from 1 to 360. Okay, you can also, if you want, you can make it from 0 to 360 degree if possible, because 360 is a full circle. Like if this is a circle, the complete circle is of how much degrees? It's of 360 degrees. Okay, so that's why I've taken from 0 to 360, so it can fully revolve also, it can go halfway, it can go like 180 degrees, 270, 360 fully, or 90, whatever you want to, like this. I hope you got the logic now, but this is only valid for uh, the portion n, the sprite n. If I want to implement it for others also, take this thing and take it and look, when I take it to the A alphabet, it starts moving and drop it over there. Now simply do it for the another one also. Go and when you will take it to them, they will start moving. Okay, and drag it and take it to K. Now see, the same coding is applied for K, A, R, A, and N. Now all of them will have the same what we say, the same coding. So that is the reason that we will be able to implement all these alphabets. Now when I click on this K, look, now its color is also changing, and as well as uh, we are going and changing the what we say, the movement, the degree is also changed, that is why they're moving also, and the colors are also changed. I hope you guys enjoyed making this with me. I'm going to take this project even more further in the next classes to come, the videos which will be uploaded, and we are going to make it even more amazing. So it's a request to all of you, keep liking these videos and keep inspiring us so that we make some great videos for you kiddos. And greetings from Kanishk Coder. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.